What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your own custom ringtone to your Samsung Galaxy phone or Android phone. So go ahead and do a swipe up on your phone and open up your settings. Then tap on sounds and vibration. Now you want to go ahead and first tap on the ringtone here, and then on the uppermost right hand side you will see a plus. So you want to tap on the plus. From here you have a bunch of different options. You can use the search to search for something that is already there within the phone, or you can basically go to folders, and from here you can find where you have those different songs stored. So if you have it in your downloads, you can click on that. If you have it something within WhatsApp, or you can basically find wherever you have this music stored. Right now you will also be able to find some of those songs within track. So if you click on track, you might find some music that you have stored in your phone showing here. So as you can see, I have one. So you can simply tap on that and you can listen it, and basically once that song is playing you can easily go ahead and listen to it. And then all you have to do is just simple tap on that song and then simple click and done. Now once you click on that, you realize that you now have that particular song set as your custom ringtone, and that's all there is to it guys. Now once someone call you, once your phone ring, this will now basically play as your ringtone. Nice and easy. Hope you find it very useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much guys, and see you next time.